Machine learning and drones in agriculture. We are starting with a brief recap. Here is machine learning framework, we can say. We have training data, for example, it can be questions and answers, so it's labeled data, and we try to map these questions with appropriate answers. So we build predictive model using some machine learning algorithm. Then we have new data and use our training model to process this data in order to solve the task we have. For example, to build a forecast. According to Intel, um, we have the challenge caused by increasing global food production 50% by 2050 to feed an additional 2 billion people. And AI, or artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, of course, can help farmers feed this huge uh, amount of people, 10 billion people. With tensors, drone, robots, and serious computer power. And AI is giving farmers the tools they need to grow crops more sustainability. So how artificial intelligence can help? It can be automating farm equipment. It can help to detect pest infestation, and it can to help identify plant diseases. The most popular applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning in agriculture appear to fall into three major categories. Agriculture robots, so companies are developing and programming autonomous robots to handle essential agricultural tasks such as harvesting crops at a higher volume and faster pace than human laborers. Crop and soil monitoring, so companies are leveraging computer vision and deep learning algorithms to process data captured by drones and software-based technology to monitor crop and soil health. And predictive analytics. And here machine learning models are being developed to track and predict various environmental impacts on crop yield, such as weather changes. One of the opportunities is growth driven by Internet of Things. By analyzing and correlating information about weather, type of seeds, soil quality, and probability of diseases, historical data, marketplace trends and prices, farmer will make more informed decision. Another opportunity is image-based insight generation. Precision farming is one of the most discussed area in farming today. Drone-based images can help in-depth field analysis, crop monitoring, scanning of fields, and so on. Computer vision technologies, Internet of Things, and drone data can be combined to ensure rapid actions by farmers. And feeds from drone image data can generate alerts in real time to accelerate precision farming. Disease detection. Preprocessing of image ensure the leaf images are segmented into areas like background, non-diseased part, and diseased part. The diseased part is then cropped and sent to remote labs for further diagnosis. It also helps in pest identification, nutrition deficiency recognition, and more. Crop readiness identifications. Images of different crops are captured to determine how ripe the green fruits are. Farmers can create different levels of readiness based on the crop or fruit category and add them into separate stacks before sending them to the market. As I said before, drones can play a significant role here. Drone technology is giving agriculture a high-tech makeover. Soil and field analysis. By producing precise 3D maps for early soil analysis, drones play a role in planning seed planting and gathering data for managing irrigation and nitrogen levels. Planting. Some companies have created drone planting systems that decrease planting costs. These systems shoot pods with seeds and nutrition into the soil, providing all the nutrition necessary for growing crops. Another example is crop spraying. Drones, for example, can scan the ground, spraying in real time for even coverage. The result? Aerial spraying is 5 times faster with drones than traditionally machinery. Another example, crop monitoring. An inefficient crop monitoring is a huge obstacle. With drones, time series visualizations can show the development of a crop and reveal production's insufficiencies, enabling better management. And there are a lot of examples here on using drones and artificial intelligence in agriculture. Thank you.